Hello everybody and welcome back to our Summer of Code season. My name is Niall. I am part of the team here at TA Scotland and I'm going to be working with you today as we build our very own new name tag. Now this is going to be really helpful when you head into your new classes for your new teachers, or if you have somebody new in your class who you don't know yet, you don't know their name yet, you could easily make a wee name tag and then they will get to know you. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open up your browser, whether that's Edge or any other browser, and I would like you to please type in, where is it? Here, this web address. So it's makecode.microbit.org. Okay, now once you've done that, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Okay, so here we are on MakeCode. I'm just going to make this a little bit more full screen. There we go. So you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. And let's zoom in a little bit for everybody. Perfect. Okay. So here we are on MakeCode. If you're not here yet, pause the video. And we're going to scroll down until we find name tag. From there, we're going to click on blocks. It does offer to teach you how to use Python and JavaScript, but we're going to do block coding today. Okay. Now, this is what we're going to be building, our very own name tag using the microbits. You don't have to use the microbits. You can just use the name tag that's here, and you can put it in full screen and then turn your device around to show the person, show the teacher, or you can download it and save it directly to your microbit, okay? But it tells us up at the top exactly what we need to do. If you do need help along the way, you've got Immersive Reader up at the top. So if you click on the book, it's going to read out the instructions for you. You can change the language. You can change the speed at which everything is read out. And yeah, you can just make sure that everything is accessible for you. But I'm going to do this alongside you. So it says here, place the show string block into the forever block and repeat it. Change the text to your name. So I'm going to go into basic, and there is show string. So I'm going to click and I'm going to drag that out, and then I'm going to place show string into forever. So now forever, this microbit is going to show the word hello. And when it gets to the end, it's going to repeat it. It's going to do HELLO exclamation mark, HELLO exclamation mark, and keep going and keep repeating. Okay. So now we need to change this text to our name. So I'm going to make this text Niall. So now it has my name. If you do need help, you've got the hint as well, so it'll show you exactly what it should look like. We're now going to hit next, and it's going to say, look at the simulator on the left and make sure that it shows your name on the screen. Perfect. Okay, hit next. And now it says, place more show string blocks to create your very own story. So we don't just need it to say our names, we can create our own story as well. So I'm going to go to basic, I'm going to click show string, I'm going to drag that into forever. And here, I want something to go in between. No, actually, let's just go for it. I would like to place my favorite food in there so that everybody knows that my favorite food is pizza. Okay, and let's go for favorite animal as well. So show string, click and drag. My favorite animal is a hippo. Okay, so there we go. We've got Niall. My favorite food is pizza, and my favorite animal is a hippo. From there, now as you'll notice up at the top, that it kind of looks like my name is Niall Pizza Hippo. It doesn't really. You don't get a space in between any of them. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to click basic, and we're going to drag in our show string and place it in between each of our favorite things. Okay, and from there we're just going to change this to a dash. Okay, so now every time you see a dash, you know that you're going to be looking at something new. So when I hit full screen, it's got my name, Niall, Niall, dash, pizza, dash, hippo. Okay, so there we go. There is our name tag for everybody. Now, like I said, you can just put it in full screen so that everybody can see it, or what you can do is you can download it directly to your microbit. So you just plug in the microbit through USB, plug that into the device, and then hit download, save it to the microbit, unplug your microbit, and then you can wear it as a nice little name tag on your shirt. Okay, now once you are done, you can hit next. There it goes. It tells us that you can download your code and then hit finish. And this is our finished code. Now, if you want to add to it in any way, so maybe instead of the dashes, so if you want to get rid of these, let's just click on the dash, hit delete on the keyboard, and we can actually put something else in there. So maybe you want to put a love heart in between pizza, and let's delete this bit and this one. Let's go for an icon. After pizza, let's change it to the little heart maybe. And then the last one after hippo, let's add in another one. Maybe we're going to put in a smiley face. Okay, so now when we hit play, it looks a little bit different. So we've got N, I, A, L, L, big love heart, pizza, little love heart when it appears, hippo, and then we finally finish on a smiley face. Okay, and then we're back to our name again. Okay, so you can head to basic and you can add in any of these different blocks that you want to add in. It's absolutely up to you what you do. Okay, now that you've finished, down at the bottom you can actually name your tag as well. So you could call it name tag or you could call it something else, and you can hit save, and that's just going to save that to your device. So it tells you exactly what to do to download that. Okay, that's us finished for today. I'm just going to stop. There we go. So it's just me back on the screen again. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us today as we created our very own code-alonged name tags that you can use for your new classes. I hope you've enjoyed today's session. Join us again tomorrow as, what are we doing tomorrow? Tomorrow we are, I think it's coin flipper tomorrow. So we'll be having a look at creating a very own coin flipper that you can then use in your class or for next year. Okay, thank you very much to everybody for joining us. I hope to see you all again soon. Cheers. Bye. Let's just play our outro video. Where is it? There.